This is a 4-bedroom, 3 and 1/2 bathroom house with a 2-car garage. Today we are in the gated community Sierra Bella, which is in the Sierra Del Oro area of Corona, California. We will be viewing the Residence 2 model, which is a 2-story home by Lennar Homes, showcased with optional builder upgrades. This open floor plan home measures approximately 3,285 square feet. The kitchen is centrally located between the dining room and great room, which puts you in the middle of entertaining your guests. The large modern kitchen has sleek countertops, gorgeous backsplash, and beautiful cabinets. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances such as a cooktop stove, dishwasher, double oven, and a microwave. The model home also has direct garage access, perfect shortcut when you just came back from the grocery store. The walk-in pantry has lots of shelving and is tucked away in the corner. The center island has a breakfast bar, which is perfect when you just feel like having a quick bite to eat. The builder has added a relaxing outdoor living area with a covered patio, ceiling fan, and a fireplace, which is also known as a California room. The master bedroom suite is beautiful and has lots of windows to enjoy the city view of Corona, California below. The ensuite master bathroom has dual sinks, a soaking tub, shower, and a private water closet. The first master walk-in closet is rather large and has storage shelves, single and double pulls with plenty of room for both summer and winter clothes. What's your favorite room so far in this beautiful home? Please leave it in the comments below. The second master walk-in closet has single and double pulls as well. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The dining room is bright with lots of windows and would make a great place to gather for meals. The family room, also known as the great room, has an elegant fireplace, high ceilings, and views of the backyard. The backyard would be a terrific spot to entertain your guests for barbecues and parties, or just to sit, relax, and enjoy our fabulous Southern California weather. The flex room can be used as a living room, office, piano room, basically whatever your heart desires. The powder room has a toilet and a cabinet with a sink. If you're interested in searching for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. Down the hall, you will find the second bedroom, which has windows, carpet, and a walk-in closet. The third bedroom is carpeted, has a walk-in closet and a window. The large laundry room is featured with cabinets, a utility sink, and washer-dryer hookups. The guest bathroom has dual sinks and a private water closet with shower in the bathtub. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's view the upstairs. This model home has a large loft with recessed lighting and access to the balcony. The covered deck has a ceiling fan and great views of Corona, California. This home also includes heating, air conditioning with a programmable thermostat. It also has a storage room upstairs. Isn't it cute how they decorated it? The large fourth bedroom has lots of windows to bring the light in and a walk-in closet. The upstairs bathroom has cabinets, a sink, toilet, and a shower. This home also includes green features, such as dual glazed vinyl windows with energy-efficient low-E glass, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, and a tankless water heater. If you like this video, you'll probably enjoy watching these too. And if you're interested in buying a home in Corona, California or surrounding areas, please contact me. I would be honored to help you find the home of your dreams. Suzy Valentin, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.